Hello there, this is JD again. What you seeing is my screen right here. So right now, my entry was 153 for 90 shares. Market to open, I used just a market order. I'm trying to be not so accurate, more like just completely getting the plugging in the profits. Uh, I'll do some. That's what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm on a profit. I'm gonna take 80 shares off. So I'm gonna stick with 10 because I think this might have a little drawdown right now. So I'll just take profits really quick. But I wanted you to see it. So this is a live trade happening right now. Once again, today it's 11:25 a.m. on April 11, 2025. Well, just go ahead and take these 80 shares that I have ready right there. I don't. It's at 173, so we'll just take 80 back and that's it. It's telling me that it got executed 173.08. I still have 10 shares in there. I just kind of keep it running. Let me just move on to the. This is the way it's looking. I know it doesn't seem pretty, but look at that. See all this push? It's beautiful. So that might go even better. So I'm gonna look it up on a better a little more accurate chart. So this is the 1 minute. Let me just put everything on the side. So I'll just stick with this one. This is the level two. These are look all these sellers are happening right now. I know this is a little confusing, so you might see a lot of things moving, but just focus on the price. So this is the size, and this is this. The color is the tape. So just focus on the tape. So right now, let's just move on to bigger frames. Let's just do 10 years so you get to see what I see. So look at this. It's a monthly chart. So look at that. Oh my God, this is just. But we can see from here that 135 was like a significant price, and then it just completely went down all the way to 64 cents. So it jumped all the way to 108. Then it dropped down to 73 cents. So it held at 62. So that was a good signal. As soon as it passes 133, then jumped all the way to 290. That's a 233, 290. What do you guys think? 135, 290. This is why I use my Fibonacci, just kind of like to measure that. I know Fibonacci has a lot of functions, but I think the one I found that helps me is to locate um, the move. And then from there, that point, I just do one horizontal to mark the 50%, which is relevant for me on the move, from the entire move of today, you could say. You see how it started right here? Might be a little higher. So it started, well, it got to that point. So that's the whole move right there. And then over here, yeah, it's perfect. So I might just move this tiny bit. There you go, right there. So this is the monthly, move on to the weekly. It didn't hold, of course, as you can see, just completely went down. It surpassed 249. And of course, the next one was 412. So 249 might be just you can just run it at 250. It might be a good resistance, which it really did work on this one. So if it tries again, we'll see what happens. Probably reaches 4008. Well, thank you very much. I hope you. Well, I'm still on. I'll go ahead and leave that over there and delete the. Oh wait, no, one second. I delete this drawing. So I'll move on to the daily. It looks the same. I already got all these levels that I need in my head. So I can just write them down in a moment. So they're just significant. That's just it. 246 is going to be the next one. So, well, hopefully now 50%, it really 183 is really there. So if it gets to 183, remember that I have 10 shares on this one. It's not about the amount of money you make. It's about the repetition. It's about the whole market consideration. I mean, it's a whole game, guys. So if you guys are into trading or learning how to trade, I don't sell anything. I'm just doing this for my own reviews. So if it helps you, great. If it doesn't, please tell me to what to do better, and in that way I can continue just placing these videos. I'm gonna put this one on YouTube. Hopefully it reaches a lot of people. Please give me a like, or please also send me one of the share button, so you can just like, pass this to some other person maybe like you that wants to be in a group where you can just think. We don't decide, we don't buy together, nothing like that. This is just entertainment only. And if you could profit from it, that'd be completely up to you. But I'll give you the guidelines. I've been at work on them. I've been trading since 2006. Sorry, I don't mean to talk about myself. So I'm done with today talking about myself. Sorry about that. And then we'll move to the 6 months. You said, let's do the year. So the yearly is like, oh, look at that. There's another level right there, 143. It's now at 172. I am calm because I'm following a process. If it happens this, then I'll do that. So maybe I'll move my stop to this new to the other new shares, the 10 shares that I have. Maybe look for another entry, hopefully for a breakout at 50. See, it's lingering there. It's above MMA, MCA, the, this oscillator, which is the MCDA. Sorry about that. I don't remember. MACD. There is MACD. See these small little hammers? Let's just look up to the 5 minutes. I like to look up on the 5 minutes, see how it looks. Uh, and look, it seems like it's waking up. See this? This is about to happen. No volume, but volume is kind of low. See, this still is a lot of retail traders happening. So their institution maybe was right here. So they already dumped. So it's happening. There is it's one of those that you never want to stay. Don't hope. Do not. When I mean don't hope, do not hope on the trade to just follow the price. 166 is happening right now. Mm, you see these little. There's any questions or something that I can be helpful with, please let me know. I'll go ahead and move on to the 15 minutes, let's say 10 minutes. And this is what 10 minutes look like. 15, oh, see that beautiful hammer right here? Oh, that was beautiful. I should have seen this earlier. I probably loaded on that one. I would have taken my profit, of course, right away above this, maybe adding on top of this at 170. But it was beautiful. But it's already the meat is off the bone. See, it's already taken. So there's like still consolidating. This is the 15 minutes that I want you looking at. 30 minutes is also another time frame that I like to see. Um, Siemens is getting ready to take sides, either up or down. You can just tell by just looking at it, but that's the way it's looking to me. So over here we can do. Let's just do some. What do you like to learn from maybe this? Already. Let's do rectangle. So let's say this is already in a box. Like that's the term they use. So it's consolidating. You could do whatever fits you. But we're gonna draw this box right the whole move below, and then we're gonna raise that because we know that's just an important level. Remember, we just used it. So keep try to keep your charts not as crowded. That way you can see everything clearly. So well, let's just see what the volume is being happening. So this is a 30-minute chart. So my okay, so we'll see the it's a 4K, 4.10K pre-market on the second 30 minute, which is was an hour. That was 36K. When once they opened on the first 30 minutes was 12.5 millions, then 9.72 millions, then it 382, 383, and right now look at that beautiful hammer that's starting to form right there. This is the 30 minutes, guys. So remember, I'm already loaded. I already took my profit on this one, 156. That might be a good chance for me to add, but I'm gonna give it some time, and I'm gonna give it maybe I'll draw something different over here. You can copy me. You can do whatever it feels like, as long as you learn this, and then eventually you tell me, you know what? Actually, you explain it really bad, but I think you could do better by doing this or that. Or you could tell me, you know what? I listened to whatever you were saying and somehow it worked. Remember, the market is a continuous changing, so it's not something that is going to be the same. But your job is going to be to adapt, survival, pretty much. You see, oh, that's green. It's kind of like having a fight there, you could say, tug of war. I meant to say. Some buyers are pulling, buyers and sellers are pulling. So it's happening. Who's get it? 150 earlier. I tried to put it on 145, and it never actually touched it. It's all the way down here now. Look, but you get to see the sellers. This is the size. I kind of modify all of these, pretty much get everything out to the most um, less crowded, as I mentioned earlier. Maybe I'll just, this is the one that comes with it has nothing on it. You can use it. The point is like just to be there. So, okay, I just had an alert, PRTG. This alert is being previous recorded. So we're gonna view the alert. Oh, it's gone by now. So oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll just gonna just go. Let me just go to my website really quick, which is on the other screen. You won't see it. So I'm gonna hold on this one. I'm gonna keep you in the 1 minute so you get to see if something happens. It just happens really quick. So it'll be important for you to. I know there's platforms that have 10 seconds, so it's not my case. But look at that; it just completely like oh boom, but then it's still in the box. You can see that, right? Green line is gonna be my support inside of it, and then red one is gonna be the resistance. So right now it crossed that one there. That's a bad sign. So maybe for me it's time to move on. And of course that confirms in this one here. Look at this volume. Look at these sellers. So I can do two things. I can just like maybe add over here, which is that's what I'm going to do because that's what my plan was, and then maybe just hopes it comes out of this box, and then we'll take profit somewhere around here. This is the BWAT, by the way. So a lot of people will take here, but we're actually trying this move over here, which could never happen. It's just rhetorical, or where you could say an hypothesis. It's just a hypothesis. It could go from here to here, or it can just completely die. But look at this is the RSI, relative strength index, or something like that. So what that shows. I put two lines right here. Also, that helped me. So I don't know. Maybe that could help you too. But you see the max CD is right here. So it really went negative. What we're just talking, but it's no big deal. I mean, like I said, I already took my profits, so this is just like a puny position. So we'll just hold on onto it. Now, if I can start seeing on the 15 minutes a little more fight again, I think it was the 15 minutes, yeah. Then I'll jump in as soon as this goes lower to 136. I add some over there, and then we'll just take the risk to the 200. Yeah, that would be a good idea, but I want to see some more green. There's a lot of red, so I mean sellers are like dying out. The I think they want. I don't want to say the thing, but I want to say I meant to say that I believe I saw the heading to the 20, which is that's the main reason I talked that. So that might touch to oversold territory, and then maybe we'll just enter on that one, and I will just close the entire position after from whatever it does. I mean, we're in a cushion. We have some cushion there already, and it is looking beautiful. Now, thank you very much. I don't want to hold you here for longer because this was live. Well, this was live. When you see it, it won't be. But thank you very much. I think it's showing everything that I have. Uh, this side is market maker ID. So this is our market maker. This is the bid. This is the size. This is the ask, and this is the size of the ask. So your team player, if you're long, is gonna be the bid. So these are buyers. So this is your team. So you focus on what's happening here. You can like, well, not on this one, but I think there's a dollar, like someone willing to pay 3,400. I think you add a zero on this one if I'm correct. This is a E-Trade platform, so I'm not 100% sure. When it shows 100, I guess it means one lot or either 1,000. But you need to see big, when you see big numbers, like who's winning this battle right now, for instance. You see, you can tell by the chart that the sellers are drying out. See, now there's like 156. I mean, everything is getting closer. There's like a 204 here. There's like a 185 right here. So this buyer, that could be significant. Also, can another one be significant? Would be this buy right here. Even this buy could be significant. Well, there's a 5,000 at 152. So 152 is going to be the if someone if there's enough buyers to throw those 5,000, then it will be nothing. But you can imagine that a retail trader won't be able to move that. So you just focus on what's happening. Don't get attached to a trade. Just move forward. Just take your prey, move forward, or take your money and run, or all this. But just lock in profits. That's what I'm working on, by the way, locking in profits. But I already have a weekly either profit or target, and also I got a daily loss. That daily loss is going to protect me of what happened a few days ago. I think I let one of them run, just like go for the tour, like Tim Giordani used to say. I just took a tour, and it was a very expensive tour, but now I understood that that's not a way to go. That just blew my account. It took all my gains, my last month's gains, erased them all, and so it's a bad feeling. I think I even had some like a physical reaction to it, believe it or not. So I'm trying to stay away from those reactions anymore by changing my habits. It's uh, it's something that I have to work on. So I might just go walk today. Just I have this pain, but like a physical pain. It's I'm not drinking or anything, but I have something in my hand that is a Modelo that is nice and cold, but I'm just using it for relieve the pain that's in my bag. No, I don't drink alcohol, just so you know, okay? But I like coffee, I like water, and I like a lot of water, lot of water. And occasionally on the weekends, we gather and then we just get a drink, which is a beer or a wine or something else. But well, thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my conversation, and have a great day. As I close, it's at 1:45 on the bid, 1:46 on the ask. It is 11:42 a.m. East time on April 11th, 2025. Thank you very much and have a great day.